NTK is known for its premier ceramic cutting tool products and continues to develop new material compositions which will improve productivity for the machining of heat-resistant superalloy materials. The dedication to innovation is evident with the industry-changing capabilities seen with BIDEMICS. BIDEMICS, an industry-changing composite insert material. Available in JX1, JP2, and our new JX3 grade. This family of grades has the capability of machining at speeds of 480 meters per minute, resulting in higher productivity. When BIDEMICS grades are run at typical whisker ceramic speeds, the JX1 and JX3 inserts double the tool life over whisker grades. For finishing operations, JP2 inserts achieve 10 to 15 times higher speed capability over carbides and better wear and notch resistance than CBNs. HRSA parts manufacturers see improved surface finishes when using BIDEMICS grade inserts. NTK's Cylon grades SX5, SX7, SX9, and new SX3 are the workhorses of the ceramic grades. They each have specific characteristics achieved by developing different combinations of toughness and wear resistance. This lineup ensures the best suited grade of Cylon ceramic to successfully machine HRSA materials. Encompassing a wide range of applications, NTK has a grade durable enough for roughing through scale to semi-finishing with interruptions or machining continuous cuts. NTK's whisker ceramic WA1 is a versatile grade providing productivity and reliability for general machining applications and provides better notching resistance than competitors' whisker inserts. This video sequence shows a face-turning operation on Inconel 718 and compares machining with JX3, SX3, and WA1. The JX3 insert is running at a very high cutting speed with excellent results. The SX3 Cylon grade, with its balance of toughness and wear resistance, has a successful run with its higher feed rates. The WA1 insert completes the continuous cut with productive and reliable results. This machining video shows a grooving operation cutting Inconel 718 with JX3, SX3, and WA1. The JX3 insert generates the grooves with excellent results while running at a very high speed. Optimal cutting conditions for BIDEMICS. The SX3 Cylon grade, with its balance of toughness and wear resistance, has a successful run with its higher feed rates. The WA1 insert completes the groove with productive and reliable results. NTK's modular tooling system with rigid construction provides stable machining performance with blades for RCGX, RPGX, and VGW inserts, securing to straight and L-style holders. Assemble the appropriate configuration of blade style and size with holder style to accommodate your specific operation. New face grooving blade designs have been released to utilize NTK's selection ceramic VGW inserts. NTK's solid ceramic end mill dramatically increases your productivity when machining HRSA materials. The SX9 Cylon durability and the specially designed flutes allow this end mill to achieve speeds up to 600 meters per minute, which is more than 15 times faster than standard carbide end mills. The toughness built into the unique flute edge design provides excellent chipping resistance, resulting in long tool life. NTK has developed new 4, 6, and 8 flute end mill tools, incorporating specific edge designs capable of machining cast iron parts with superior results. NTK's new Cylon ceramic SX3 round style inserts, paired with our high-performance cutter, completes this face milling operation on Inconel 718 at speeds that are 30 times faster than those achieved using carbide tooling. This ensures that manufacturers will cut production time and increase their machining capacity. This video displays SX3's effectiveness at performing helical milling operations on HRSA materials like Inconel 718, while achieving speeds of 800 meters per minute and feeding 0.1 millimeters per tooth.